Hey everyone, I recently watched Pam from Pam's Creation create a beautiful pottery looking, sort of like an eco resin using underglaze transfers, and it got me thinking, what if I didn't use transfers at all? What if I used ordinary rubber stamps and blue ink to try and create that same traditional blue and white pottery look? So I've already done a few pieces. And the ink worked beautifully. So today I'm taking it a little bit further to see if I can create a finished piece and whether I can seal it without ruining the design. So let's get to it. I'll mix this up because my whole table shakes when I mix, and I'll pour and I'll be back. Okay, so I've demolded that, and this is broken, and there were a few bubbles, so I'm not going to worry about that, but I will try and work on these. These are a few little bubbles. Now, we were going to use the stamps, so I've taken the blue, and I'm going to just see if I can get it. And we're going to try. I'm not sure how it's going to work. That's not too bad, but I think I'll have to take it off here and maybe just do it that way. Well, that didn't come out too bad. Okay, a little bit of okay. You'll have to wait till it dries, but isn't that beautiful? That's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So I'm going to wait till that dries properly, and then we'll go to the next one. Let's try here's my little I love the turtles, so I'm not sure if it'll be maybe the smaller one. I did have a smaller turtle. Here we go. Oops. the leg didn't come out. Damn it. Let's wipe it and try again. Oops. I wonder if it'll... It came out a little bit lighter. Oh, that's better. So that's that one. And these are the other ones that I did. And they came out way beautiful, the colors. So let me just get my ink and see whether... Okay. Should we do some more flowers? I mean, as you can see, this isn't just a test run. I just wanted to see whether it would work. I think I'd have to do it this way. It's not too bad. I still gotta wait till it dries. Let's do a few little butterflies. That's cute. So I'll have to wait till that dries a bit and then come back. Where's that other one for this one? It's a bigger one. Oh, here it is. Let's see if I can get the butterfly in there too. That came out okay. A few more. Ah, that's not too bad. Not very defined. Some of them are defined. So we'll continue with that. I wonder if this will work with the board. It's not too bad. It's not very straight, is it? Do one more. There we go. It's beautiful. Okay. And those are my turtles. They didn't come out as bright, I think, because it didn't have enough ink. But these ones came out beautiful. Look. So what I'll do is I'll put the varnish. Oh, I forgot to show you the flowers. These are some of the flowers that I did. Little teddy with balloons. And then this one, I just got to line them with silver and we'll come back and I'll show you the finished varnished product. Bit messy though, but look at that, isn't that beautiful? So yeah, you could still do it with instead of using the transfers, you can still use the blue with the stamp, and it goes straight on the eco. So, and just spray a varnish over the top. So I'm not sure what to do for here. Oh, it's not that one. That looks okay. Maybe a couple of butterflies the other way. Oh, it's so messy. So yeah, I'll clean this all up. I wonder if I could do a double. Oops. Oh, it looks like a little bush. So it looks cute. Look. All right, so I'll varnish, clean this all up, and come back. See you later.